Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Ontiveros, and I'm the Chair of Anatomy and Cell Biology, and I'm a founding faculty member at Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. Our curriculum integrates anatomical sciences with clinical relevance, and this is very important because it helps to improve the students' overall clinical reasoning skills. Students early are exposed to full dissection within the gross anatomy lab. It helps to improve their overall confidence and understanding of the anatomical sciences. In addition to that, we also integrate various types of imaging modalities such as ultrasound, and this helps students correlate clinical imaging with the anatomical structures that they've learned within the gross anatomy lab. Considering the gross lab, the students engage in full cadaveric dissections early within their medical school career. And so this is very important because it helps students develop a deeper understanding of anatomy when compared to learning anatomy in a two-dimensional approach. While dissecting, students gain this three-dimensional aspect of understanding anatomical structures, and in the process of that also develop tactile understanding of these structures that they're working with. And so when you consider these two components, understanding these are critical for the importance of functional relationships and how that is important for their overall clinical practice. So in the gross anatomy lab, in addition to learning structural elements, they also gain and learn ethical elements. And with respect to this, they learn, because they're working with bodies, they gain the aspect of respect for donors, which is really important because it helps them gain a stronger appreciation for the human body in general. And both of these are very important aspects, and both translate into developing compassionate future physicians. In addition to the ethical elements, students develop professionally through developing not just the respect for the donors, but also a sense of responsibility and team collaboration. Now, with respect to the lab structure within the gross anatomy lab, we have two gross anatomy labs, one located at each location, one in New Mexico and the other one in Florida. We have a total of 22 gross anatomy labs, 10 occurring here in the fall and 12 in the springtime. Students are organized into rotating groups of no more than 5 students per group. And this is very, very important for maximizing their overall interaction with each other, with their peers, as well as the faculty that are teaching within the gross anatomy lab. So I'd like to say that we have an amazing team, and I'm very proud of all the team members that are part of the department. One thing that I'd like to say about the department is it's a very dynamic and seeks continuous improvement. And what I mean by continuous improvement, that we're always looking for aspects to improve in some way or another. It helps to build an overall meaningful educational environment to make them more suitable and competent future physicians.